Tony Pan, Huping Abraham behind the handlebars. I'm here with Kevin Frank, one of the organizers for Brewtown Rumble. How's it going, Kevin? And tell everybody about this program, what's going on today.
Sure, great. Yeah, it's the Brewtown Rumble. It's the third year of a vintage motorcycle festival. So we have lots of old bikes, mostly 35 years or older. We let a couple newer ones sneak in just if they're kind of cool. So we've got over 125 bikes in the show. And then we've got lots of other stuff going on. We got live music, vendors, food trucks, so just lots of activity for people to come out, hang with lots of cool motorcycles and have fun.
And besides the 125 bikes that are in the show, there's several thousand, there's thousands actually around this. This is about what, a eight blocks area? Or?
Yeah, we have, well, 3 blocks are closed off specifically for the show. We have 3 blocks of bike parking only, and then they're taking up lots of other blocks. So yeah, probably about 8 or 10 blocks that we're completely taking up, so.
Yeah, I put on about 5 or 10 miles trying to find a parking spot.
Awesome.
The build program is going on. What else is integral to the Brewtown Rumble?
So the Brewtown Rumble, since we started it, we've done it as essentially kind of like a fundraiser. So no one's really making any money off it. All the proceeds go to the build program. So you've done stories about it too. It's a Moto Mentor program where we pair up high school students with a mentor and they renovate an old 70s, usually a Honda, and make it into a racing bike. So.
Yeah, and this is such a great venue. I mean, on the streets of Milwaukee, it's definitely a community event. It's not all bikers; it's the community's out for this event too.
Definitely, yeah. I pretty much picked this location because it really reminded me of what we do with our motorcycles. So it's kind of keeping something old and cool and renovating it and keeping it going so people can enjoy it.
And what's better than vintage motorcycles in the setting of vintage Milwaukee, you know, with this architecture?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, with the Cream City brick buildings, the old PAP sign and everything you can get shots of. I think it's ideal for it.
Well, there's a lot of us that really appreciate that you started this Brewtown Rumble. It's really exciting to see the young people getting involved in building and design and hands-on. And I think this is a community event that I hope this lasts for years and years and years.
Me too. Great. Thanks.
Thank you, Kevin. Tony Pan, Brewtown Rumble, Huping Abraham behind the handlebars.